Okay, in the previous video we installed Metamask on the Brave browser. Let's open up our Metamask now, type in our password. Now I'm going to show you how to buy Ethereum using fiat currency, euros, US dollars, etc. So just inside Metamask I'm going to click the buy button. In here you have a couple of options. I'm going to use buy ETH with Wyre. Sendwire.com is a payment processor that will take fiat currency and send ETH to your wallet in exchange. So it's automatically filled my ETH address, and you can check this by clicking up here and check the first 4 digits or the last 4 digits, E4EF and D281. That's correct. Now you need to set the currency flag here to whatever currency you're paying in. I'm paying British pounds and I want to submit £50. It's going to tell me there's going to be a transaction fee and a network fee. Total will be 55. Now some people try to submit say £1,000 and they'll find it declines because they might have a limit on their card that is at £1,000. So what I suggest you do is lower that number down. There you go. So £969 is under a £1,000 limit, and if that fails you might find that you need to be under 500. There you go. So if you want to do £500 you need to do 483 and that will go through. I want £50 worth of Ethereum, which is going to get me 0.052 ETH. It's going to cost me £3 and £2 in fees, 55 total. I authorise Wyre to debit my account, and next. Here you need to fill in your details. Once you've entered those details, they're going to send you a text message to your phone that you need to confirm. Now there's a second step of authentication here. They've taken a very small payment from your bank account, I think it's about 10 pence in my case, and it's going to say Wyre buy and then these 6 numbers. So I now need to go and check my bank and have a look for that pending transaction. 129722. Okay. That's all gone through fine. So, completed transaction with Wyre payments, payment method, debit card, Ethereum was sent to this wallet address. Now if I click on my Metamask, at the moment it still says it's empty, 0 ETH. So what's happened is that payment is on its way to you now. We can click track transaction. And this will give you an ETA. Okay, it doesn't give you an estimate of when it's going to arrive, but it should arrive within the next few minutes. Okay, there we go. I've opened up my Metamask and it says I've got 65 US dollars worth in here. Now Metamask, you can change your local currency if you want, but most crypto is compared against the US dollar, so it's best to leave it in the US dollar. So that's it, I've got my Ethereum in my wallet, and again if I click on these 3 dots and go to view on Etherscan, it's going to take me to public address. Anyone can see what is in your wallet as long as they've got your wallet address. So on this website it says balance 0.52 Ether, value of $65. And down here under transactions you can see the transaction that just took place. Transaction hash is basically the transaction ID. I can click on that and I can see successful, timestamp, where it came from and where it went to my wallet, the value of it, and that transfer fee that I paid earlier. So now we've got our Ethereum in our wallet, we can use that to purchase Axion or other altcoins. I will show you how to do that in the next video.